What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I just want to show you how to play Young Man's Blues, which is by Parker McCollum. So for this song, to make it super easy, we just need the capo on the first fret. So let's capo up to the first fret. So nice and easy chords we have. And now if you just want to learn 7 Summers by Morgan Wallen, you can just check out my channel. I did a complete guided guitar tutorial on that with tabs on everything. And let's dive into the lesson. We just have one main intro riff. Obviously play it on the electric guitar, you can just play that, but if you have acoustic, works well though, so you can just play that on acoustic, and we just have 2 parts to play. So just have a look at the structure of the song. We start with the intro, then we have the verse, then we have the chorus, then we got the verse, then we got the chorus, and we have the outro. So we have the intro to learn, we got the verse to learn, which is equal to the outro, and we got the chorus. So therefore we just have 3 parts to learn. So let's have a look at the chord shapes. The first chord is a G major, which is 3-2 open open 3-3. Or you can just play 3rd fret on the B string. You can keep it open, but 3rd fret on the B string actually works. For the song, 3rd fret on the B string. 3-2 open open 3-3. Now this is a C major chord, as everyone knows, mute 3-2-0-1-0. But what you're gonna do is you can just hold a G major chord shape. You will just bring these 2 fingers in the same way down over here on the 3rd fret of the A string and 2nd fret of the D string, and you keep your top E string muted. So it becomes a C odd 9. So 3-2 open open 3-2 open 3-3. So nice and easy. G, C odd 9. D major, which is mute mute open 2nd 3rd 2nd, and E minor, which is 0-2-2-0-0-0. That's it for the chords. So let's dive into the intro riff first. So now just want to provide you with the tab. Now one thing I want to say is the tab is actually relative to no capo, to avoid any confusion. So let's remove the capo for now when you're just playing the riff. You can put the capo, but I think you might have some problem having a look at the tab. So therefore, the tab is electric capo on the fret 0. So let's get started. We start off playing. The tab is actually a very simplified version, but I'm just going to show you some parts where you can just do some extra vibrato, bend, hammer and all to make that sound more spicy. So let's get straight into it. One thing I want to say is, suppose you play 13th fret, then you play the 7th fret, then you play the 9th fret. Make sure you always go down, up, down. It doesn't matter if you're changing the string from D to G you are going, but make sure you always do down, down, up, down. So always follow alternate picking. Let's have a look at it. We start off playing 13th fret on the G string. I like to do a little bit bend. And you can make it more spicy by just do a hammer on from 11 to 13. And just do a bend and a vibrato. Like this. So you got. Then you play 10th fret on the G string. A bit vibrato. Then 10th fret on the G string. 13th fret on the D string. 10th fret on the G string. 13th fret on the G string. 10th fret on the G string. 13th fret on the D string. So you got back to 10th fret on the G string, again 10th fret on the G string, 3rd fret on the D string, then you play 10th fret on the G string, 13th fret on the G string, 10th fret on the 10th fret on the G string, and back to 13th fret on the D string. So it actually is a repetition of same notes. So and that's basically the riff. So it's super easy. And the next part which we have is exactly same, but what you do, you just did a hammer on, but this time you're just gonna do a hammer on from 13 to 15 on the G string, and again a small bend with a vibrato added, and go back, do the same thing. So let's play this riff a couple of times and it will be actually completely clear for you guys. 1 2 3 4. Full speed. 1 2 3 4. Let's have a look at the rhythm and all everything. So put the keeper on the first fret now. So let me show you the strumming pattern. It's actually the same thing going throughout the whole song. Down, down, up, down. So keep your hand on the string and do down, down, up, down, 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 up, down. Nice and easy. So down, down, up, down. Down, down, up, down. So let's get started with the intro of the song. You play this one. So between that, we're just gonna strum the chords. Like someone is playing this riff, another person is actually strumming the chords. So let's have a look at that. We start off playing the G major chord, then again a G, then a C at 9, again a C at 9, and repeat that. Which means on each chord, we're just gonna do the strumming pattern one time. Which means G is repeated twice, so we're just gonna try the strumming pattern 2 times, once for each chord. So let's play 1 2 3 4. It starts on the second. 1 2 3. It starts on the third beat. Sorry. 1 2 3. 1 2 on to the verse. So it's super simple. And now let's move on to the verse. So the verse, the chord progression will be a G, again a G, C, again a C. I mean the C at 9. Whenever I'm saying C right now, you can see on the screen inside C at 9. C at 9, D major once, C at 9 once, G 2 times. Which means you can see everything. One string pattern, down, down, up, down. Once for each chord shown on the screen. So let's play. One more time, let's play that. That's it. Now for the verse one, G, G, C, C, D, C, G. What you can see on the screen, it actually goes 2 times. And then we actually move on to the chorus. Now for the chorus, the strumming pattern, the chord progression will be a E minor, C major, G major, again a G major, E minor, C major, D major, D major. When you come to that young man blues, so when you actually move on to D major. So let's play that with the same string pattern once applied for each chord. That's it. And now you move on to the verse and it's actually same. So we just do G, G, C, C, D, C, G, G. Again, repeat that one more time. Verse is over. You move on to the chorus, same thing. And now we have the outro. And the thing is, outro is exactly same as the verse. Like we played G, G, C, C, D, C, G, G. Twice, but this time for the outro, we just gonna play that once. And we are done for the outro, which means we are actually breaking the verse into a half. So that's it for this lesson. So this helps you out. Make sure to drop one of these. Subscribe, because I just want. Sorry for that sound. Never mind. So what I was saying, make sure to hit the subscribe button Drop a comment down below. You can actually check out my channel. This Friday I did this previous Friday, yesterday I mean, I did a lot of lessons. A lot of new songs came out, and I'm just gonna go over the new songs even today and even tomorrow. So make sure to have an eye on them. Stay tuned. Drop a comment down below if you just want to learn any song on guitar. Again, I'm telling you to hit that red subscribe button and always stay notified. And I'll see you guys back in the next video to learn about it.